So this is a how-to video, and this is going to be how to go ahead and remove the battery terminal. This one in particular is a 12 millimeter bolt, so we'll go ahead and loosen it up. Alright, so now put that stuff to the side. Okay, and I'm going to take these right here and put it on right there with the terminal. So it comes supplied with this, but we're not going to use that. We're going to use the original nut. So let's put that on here. So we have that on there. We couldn't use that nut right there because for whatever reason I didn't want to strip the threading right here on the grooves because it didn't fit. But this one does fit. But I'm now seeing how small this is, and right now the battery is actually charging, so we can't even put it on the post to make sure that this is the correct fitment. So we'll just wait until we get the battery and then we'll go from there. But that's exactly how to swap out your terminals though, by taking off your old one. As you can see, that's the old one right there, and then replacing it with that one. Let's get it. Let's go.